Hey kids, it's story time! I'm your host, Chico, Chimp, and we're gonna read Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Beep, 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 December's here! Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. What do you think he does? I see Christmas trees. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Christmas trees. One tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Christmas trees. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Little Blue is going to deliver Christmas trees. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Look at all these cars. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Says the goose, this big one please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Looks like the goose took the biggest one, number 5. Moo, says the cow, this tall one please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. 1, 2, 3. Says the pig, this fat one please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. 1, 2. Ma, says the goat, this short one please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. What do you think Little Blue is gonna do with this Christmas tree? Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Look at Little Blue's Christmas tree light up. Let's flip the page and get it to flash again. Wow, it's so pretty. The end. Parents, Little Blue Truck's Christmas is on Amazon. I included the link down below. And me, Chico Chimp, I'm at the puppet store. You can find me down below in the description box as well. Bye, kids.
Papa.